Hello, 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 hello to all the precious people all over the world. Welcome back to our channel, Precious Cats of Mama Kiss. Today's video is about the 6 sounds that only cats can hear but humans can't. Due to their more acute hearing, cats can register frequencies we cannot. This allows them to hear the 6 sounds we share in today's video. Number 1 is noises of possible prey. Cats are one of the nature's most adept hunters. Their hearing allows them to register the sounds made by their prey such as mice or birds unless we are directly next to them. These signs are usually inaudible to us. Cats detect them and use the sound waves to locate and track this prey like the ultrasound frequencies. You may want to see if your cats react so well. Play some of the noises made by common prey animals.
Did your cat react like they...
Yes? Did your cat react like they were about to get a tasty snack? Share the response in the comments to let us know. This one became attentive. Some kind of, what you call that? Familiarizing the sound. Din, this is one of our mama cat who doesn't want her kittens to suck milk onto her because they're almost 2 months young. And this is Pound, our male calico. Number 2 is heart and lung rate. Cats can also hear your heartbeat and the rhythm of your breathing. This ability helps them to detect your emotions such as stress or fear. Their keen sense of smell also allows them to pick up on hormonal changes in your body. This can cause their behavior toward you to be affected based on what they detect. For example, cats can tell if a woman is pregnant even before she knows by the metabolic changes of her body. Hi, Papa. Another one is sounds of nature. In addition to their prey, cats can hear other sounds in nature, such as the rustling of leaves or the flapping of wings. Cats have an even greater hearing range than dogs. This because cats have 32 muscles in their ears compared to 17 in dogs. This greater number of muscles gives them flexibility to better capture stimuli underground. And this is Eve, one of our semi-Egyptian Mau cat. Ebong. Mama cat is now eating. Din. Another one is sounds at long distances. You may have noticed your cat seems very focused on a distant point, seemingly staring at nothing. There is every chance they are picking up a sign at a distance that we can't perceive. Cats can detect noises from 20 to 25 meters away. This explains how they know to greet us at the door long before you enter. This sensitivity also means loud noises can be very annoying to them. Examples include ambulance, sirens, thunderstorms, and fireworks. Learn about how these noises affect cats. The black one, the newly adopted, is letting the kitten sleep on his stomach. Another is underground vibration. In relation to these types of sound, it is said that some animals can predict natural disasters. Although lacking conclusive evidence, it is true that cats can detect high-frequency vibrations and signs in the ground. This allows them to anticipate events such as earthquakes or tsunamis, although only to be to a certain extent. I remember one of the kittens again died last night. So all in all, from 8 kittens, it turns out the remaining alive ones are 5. Yaya, what are you doing there? The eldest cat is peeping on the window. Yaya George. Hi, what have you been doing there? Yaya. Yaya, what happened? Huh? Yaya George? Kasi mo tanaw dito, Yaya. He is very strict to those stray cats roaming around our territory. His territory. Ninyade. Ninyade. One of the elder great tabbies. And the last sound is ultrasonic frequencies. While humans can hear audio frequencies up to 20 kilohertz, cats can hear up to 100 kilohertz. This allows them to hear much higher pitched noises such as the ultrasonic frequencies emitted by certain devices. If you want to test it out, we're going to play an ultrasound frequency that you won't be able to hear, but you can bring your cat to the speaker to see how they react.
What did your cat do when they What did your cat
He can hear it, but we cannot. So what did your cat do when they hear the ultrasound? Share their action with others in the comments. So that's end our video for today regarding the 6 sounds that only cats can hear. Number 1, noises of possible prey. Number 2, heart and lungs rate. Number 3, sounds of nature. Number 4, sounds at long distances. Number 5, underground vibration. And the last one, the ultrasonic frequencies. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing our channel, adding up to our 2,280 subscribers as of June 6, 2025. Thank you and see you on our next video. This is Jade, still cleaning.